How to change country or region on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. Over here, go to Media and Purchases. Then, tap on View Account. You can view and manage your account settings from here. And then, go to Country or Region. Here, search for or type in the name of the country or region you want to change to and then select it. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily change country or region on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.